To complement your home workout, we have the perfect partner, the Mi Athleisure shoes. I've been wearing them and it's super light. It comes with a breathable honeycomb mesh design for better air circulation to keep your feet fresh. I've been wearing them all through and I can vouch for their superior comfort. It comes with heel support, shock absorbing EVA sole and perfect grip to enhance your overall experience. It works equally well for home workouts, running, or you can casually wear them all day long. It comes with a super stylish design and 3 color variants with an interesting color contrast play. It also has this great reflective strip with a Mi logo that will make your shoes stand out. Well, enough talking. I think you should take a look at this. So that was the Mi Athleisure shoes. It'll be available for a price of only rupees 1499 and it'll be available for you to buy on mi.com and Mi Homes starting September 29. It's been quite some time since I washed my hands. Call me paranoid. It's not just me. Everyone's washing hands at least 10 times a day. I'm sure you'll all agree with me. We're all paranoid to touch anything. While we can't avoid touching certain things, thank God for something that's contactless. Let me show you what. Introducing the all-new Mi Automatic Soap Dispenser, the most advanced way of washing your hands, hygienic and contactless. It is super easy to set up, takes literally just a minute. No more touching your soap dispenser, all you have to do is this. It is equipped with an intelligent infrared proximity sensor which detects your hand movement and dispenses the liquid soap in less than 0.25 seconds. The elegant design fits in beautifully in your home, whether you decide to keep it in your kitchen or your bathroom. Thanks to the micro motor, it is super silent and efficient. It comes with 300 ml of liquid soap capacity, which gives you up to 375 hand washes. It will make hand washing a lot more fun for the children in the house who are definitely going to be fascinated by this device, and of course it makes it very convenient for everyone else in the house. It also comes with an on-off touch button on the top in case you want to stop the automatic dispensing in a specific scenario. When you're upgrading to everything more advanced in the house, why be stuck with the traditional soap dispenser? So that was the all-new Mi soap dispenser for you guys. It comes with automatic soap dispensing technology that dispenses soap in less than 0.25 seconds. The 300 ml bottle gives you up to 375 hand washes and it fits in perfectly in your home decor. The all-new Mi automatic soap dispenser will be available for a price of just rupees 999, which is 999, and it comes with a free liquid soap pouch along with it. The availability of the Mi automatic soap dispenser is on your screen.
Okay Google, switch on the bedroom lights. A brand new product requires a brand new setup. Introducing the last product from our Smarter Living 2021 edition. Happy to announce the arrival of Mi Smart LED Bulb White. This is a 7.5 watt B22 bulb which pushes up to 810 lumens at peak brightness, which is at 100%, making it the right and the perfect choice for bedrooms, for studies, and even for your living rooms. Now, because of using a B22 base, which is exactly this, which is common across Indian households, you don't need to attach a converter or even a hub to start using this bulb. This smart bulb can also be paired with the Mi Home app, and you can actually just use a smartphone to increase or decrease the brightness or even switch it on or switch it off. What's also great about the Mi Smart Bulb is that it can seamlessly integrate with the Google Home app or Amazon's Alexa app, and you can just use your voice command to basically adjust the brightness or to switch it on or switch it off. One more important thing to note about the Mi Smart Bulb is that it offers up to 15,000 hours of lifespan. This technically means that even if you use the Mi Smart Bulb for 3 hours regularly, it is going to last you for more than 13 years. This brilliant piece of tech is going to be available starting 29th September on Mi.com and Mi Home, and is priced at just Rs 499. So that was the wide portfolio of products which we wanted to announce during Smarter Living 2021. I hope you enjoyed this launch, and I hope to see you in the Smarter Living 22 edition as well. Now let me have Manu back on your screens.
So these were the 6 new products that we launched today. Mi Watch Revolve, Mi Band 5, Mi Smart Speakers, Mi Smart Lights, Mi Athleisure Shoes, and the brand new Mi Automatic Soap Dispenser that will be very helpful in current circumstances. So Mi fans, cannot wait for all of you guys to try out these new products, and please do share your feedback with us. With this, signing off, take care, and if you're stepping out, please do take all possible precautions and do wear a mask. Thank you. Namaste.
Wish you had more of you to do it all, but you don't. You just need smart. Choose to live smarter with MI.